Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how you can fix the toilet handle. This is not working and stuck, and then it's not flashing, and so of course there is always solution for every problems. You need to get the information, have to get the knowledge. Somehow we are helping each other. So this is the one I find out that this W40, WD40. So it helps for this handle. It stucks and it's not doing his job, and we will help him that he can, do his job. So what are you gonna do? Just spray from outside first. Oh, okay, sorry. Let me adjust this. Right there, come on. No, it's not working. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, come on. Okay, it's coming. Oh, something wrong with this W. Okay, now let it 1 minute, a minute, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Also, just go and inside also spray it. Let me open the light. Maybe it's gonna be easier to see. What do you think? Oh, okay. What are you gonna do? It's right there. Right there. Just put the W40 just here, yeah. A little bit more. Just leave it like, in this video I'm gonna just let it go like 30 seconds or 1 minute. But if you do yourself without doing the video, just wait 2 minutes. Let it lose what this it's stuck there, and yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. I think it's gonna work, and yeah, like then maybe 20 more seconds. I'll wait and then I'll try. See, let me move a little bit. Just back and forth, move it, and let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, then let's push it a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, I'll try now. Okay. Okay, see? Before handle, when I was pushing, it wasn't going very well. And now it's